Good morning. It's so good. All right, so good morning. It's so wonderful to be here with all of you celebrating 50 years of Microsoft. And it's especially exciting to be doing it at a time like this. For me, though, it starts with Bill and Steve, who are both here with us today. You know, I want to say a very big thank you to the two of you and to Paul and what you have meant to me personally and what your vision that you had building this extraordinary company of ours that I've had the privilege to be part of, right? Thank you for your vision, your leadership, your passion, and for building the Microsoft that we know today, a company that has truly changed the world. You know, 50 years ago, Bill and Paul started Microsoft with a simple but powerful idea: to build technology so people everywhere could build more technology. The very first product Microsoft built was the basic interpreter for the Altair, giving people the power to create software, jump-starting the PC revolution, and creating an entirely new sector for our economy. But today, it's not just about the past 50 years, it's about the next 50. If there's one thing that I have learned during my time at Microsoft, it's not about longevity, but relevance. Our future will not be defined by what we have built, but what we empower others to build. This is why we are leading this new wave of AI innovation, and more importantly, democratizing, just like we did it with the PC. Just take GitHub Copilot. Just 2 years ago, we launched with code completions. From there, we've gone to chat, to multi-file edits, and now to agents. More than 150 million developers in nearly every country around the world are using GitHub. So I thought to myself, what if I could take that power and rebuild Microsoft's very first product? And so I tried it. Take a look.
We're going to learn a little bit about Microsoft's history with its first product, or the creation of its first product.
Let's go to Copilot. First product.
Altair Basic.
April 4th, 1975. Ingenious combination of technical skill and resourcefulness. Wow, they didn't have a direct access to an Altair. I have one, actually. I don't know if it works. I can switch it on. Oh man, it does switch on. I kind of have an Altair, but I don't think I can make it work. I guess, what do I have? I'll use Codespaces and GitHub Copilot. Create an emulator. Give me the plan. All right, let's see what it says. Wow. Phase 1, research and setup, core components, integration and optimization. Oh man, that's a lot of work. So let's say, I just want to wipe code it. Here I am on GitHub. It's created the emulator, it's created the templates. Here is the app. All right, let's just run it. Look at that. Retro look. Welcome. You tried hello world. Welcome to Altair Basic. Let's see if it actually does some math. Okay, I guess 4 squares are 16. Math test complete. It works. I guess it didn't take us 6 weeks. Emulate Q#, also on the Altair. I'm sure this will break even. Copilot, let's give it. Let's see what it does. And it's going. I'm going to be able to do quantum on the Altair. This is so cool.
Yeah. You know, you really know you're onto something. You know, intelligence has been commoditized when CEOs can start vibe coding. But in all seriousness, This is not just a cool party trick, it's transformational. It's empowering, it's unleashing human ambition, and it's happening now. In fact, I'm excited to share that the capability I just showed with Agent Mode is rolling out to all VS Code users starting today. We now have autonomous AI agents or peer programmers who can collaborate with us to anticipate our needs and help us think more creatively. And it does not stop there. We are bringing full MCP support to Agent Mode. We're also launching Code Review Agent today to fix and find bugs automatically. We're also making it easier than ever before for developers to build their own agents in Foundry. Think of it like an agent factory. It's a production line for intelligence. Tens and thousands of organizations are using Foundry to build their own agents. And today we're going further. We now have a new agent framework for building multi-agent systems. But building agents is just the very beginning. We're also building tools for all the evals, fine-tuning, observability, and feedback. And you'll also have a red teaming agent and tools to measure code vulnerabilities. All of this in support of building trustworthy AI systems. There's much, much more to come. What started out as a developer tools company 50 years ago is now a platform company where everyone can be a developer. Our mission has not changed, it's only expanded. In fact, behind me, you can see some examples of real apps that everyday people around the world have been building with GitHub Spark with just a prompt, an allowance tracker, an animated world envisioned by a 6-year-old, an ingredient safety checker, and one of my favorites, a time tracking app for weeks and days until Build 2025, and I can't wait for it. Just as we have done always, we are putting the power in people's hands so that they can build software that moves their communities, their countries forward. The same ethos is driving Copilot, not just for developers, but for every aspect of work and life, helping people do things that allow them to do more things, whether it's building apps, doing homework, shopping, planning, and so much more. Ultimately, it all comes down to our mission, to empower every person and every organization on the planet to achieve more. I've always thought of Microsoft as a platform and partner-first company, and this has only been possible because of our customers, our partners, and developers. And to our 1.6 million employees, past and present, who have connected their passion with our purpose to get us where we are today. And so, and it's you who will continue to build this company to have impact around the world well into the future. So from the bottom of my heart, a big thank you to everyone who has contributed to Microsoft and getting us to this moment. Today we will share what is ahead for Copilot. I can't wait to see what is next with Copilot and everything that we have for you. Mustafa, over to you, and thank you all so very much.